What up, guys? I just want to introduce myself. My name is Brandon Quinones. I run GM OBS shop. Some of you guys might know me from my cluster adapters from 91 to 93 style. I also created, as most of you guys know, obviously that's why you guys are here, the OBS Link, one of the first touchscreen radio replacements, OEM style at least, for your 88 to 94 Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Yukon, Suburban, you name it. I'll just give you guys a quick little demonstration. This is the rear part. You can tell it's all aluminum. You got the 6-channel RCA outputs, some harnesses, and a close-up of it. I will show you guys a close-up and still demonstrate the radio a little bit more. I just want to introduce myself and apologize as well for not giving you guys constant updates. That's honestly on me. I'm a little as honestly as I'm making this video, I'm a little nervous making it. It's just all this is new to me. I just hope you guys can understand, but at least you guys know that we're here. We're at the final stages. We're just testing everything out. Production's about to start soon. We just wanted to, I just wanted to make a video for you guys, just demonstrating my apologies and my gratitude for everything and all the support you guys have given me. It's honestly, it's amazing. As you can tell, the radio is right here floating around. We still are just messing with some little tweaks, little bugs here and there. Nothing to worry about. Nothing that would cause a significant delay or anything as well. As for how everything goes, we'll probably take a week, 2 weeks for testing right now. After that, I'll confirm everything, make sure everything's good, just get everything confirmed with you guys, make sure everything's squared away. If you guys have any suggestions, this time is now to say it. Besides that, production will start. Should maybe take, I want to say 45 days. So that's what I'm saying. Maybe by the end of November, I'll get it. I guess I should be able to get it delivered to you guys. But if not, worst comes to worst, like I explained to you guys, December, Christmas time will be your guys' delivery. So it'll still be a pretty good Christmas present if you ask me. I appreciate the support, and honestly, I appreciate a lot of you guys' patience and understanding. It's more than I could really say in words. I'm just really thankful for you guys, because if you guys didn't help me out to make this radio will not be here, or it would have taken me another 2 years. So thank you guys. Right now, we're gonna jump into a quick demonstration video showing you guys everything about the radio. So I wanted to go ahead and say thank you guys. Appreciate it. We'll start from here. All right, guys. This is the close-up of the radio. Some of the accessories that all the accessories that will come with it. So you can tell we have a standard aftermarket adapter, but with radio connector. We have standard antenna adapter. I have the optional, maybe this will be the final option, but this is an optional backup camera. These aren't regular to the standard aftermarket backup cameras. They're supposed to be better. So we'll be testing that out soon. We'll be making an installation video with the testing of that camera. We have your standard microphone, of course. And most of you guys are curious about this, so we'll go ahead and answer some questions here. As you can tell, you got significant good length. I'll go ahead and give you guys all the specs and everything in a sheet. I'll probably email you that I'll probably email that to all of you guys. But you'll basically connect this to the radio, and this is your volume control. Besides the volume control on the screen, twist controls volume perfectly, tested, no issues. That, of course, we're also designing something to match the truck, of course. But this is the rear of the radio. As you can tell, we got 6-channel RCAs. And for your antenna, your standard harness. And this will get a little bit more detail about these harnesses here. So this will be for your microphone, your reverse trigger, USB media playback, put pictures, videos, music, auxiliary in, your volume control, backup camera, and AV input as well. This is it. This will not be the final gray as well. This color defect, this is not the correct gray. We're also going to be fixing that. But that's not gonna cause any delays or anything. Just want to show you guys the radio. The fan is right here. Breathable. No heating issues. Works perfectly fine. There it is. So again, optional. It was to be standard, but optional volume. You can mount it anywhere. You can mount it in your custom center console, anywhere in the dash, anywhere where you feel is more comfortable and suited for you guys. You guys have that option. It's plug and play, no wire, no cutting, nothing to be done except for the back camera. You just need to connect a couple wires. As for these wires here, this is for an upcoming feature for the radio. It is for a custom steering wheel control that I'm making for it. So everything's already built into the radio. So later on when it does come out, it's an upgrade that you guys could add to it without having to replace the radio. But besides that, everything is plug and play, no wiring needed. Like I said, we'll make installation video here in a couple of days. We'll be demonstrating the radio, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, playing music, playing videos through the USB, showing you guys the difference between the standard backup camera and these backup cameras. So yeah, this is it, guys. I appreciate you guys for all your patience, all your support. Give me 2 days, I'll be making an installation video, but it's pretty standard. As you can tell, you don't have to do no wiring, just connect the adapter, put it in its location, and you're done. And nothing else to it, besides if you're doing a backup camera. But backup camera shouldn't take you no more than an hour and a half to install either way. So I'll be also making a how-to on that as well. But yeah, I try to make it as plug and play as I could, as simple as I could. It's just adding today's standard features that we need, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, while retaining as big of a screen as we could. So I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope you guys have any suggestions. We'll also, of course, have the black option. Yeah, I appreciate everything you guys been sharing my videos, doing everything. It's honestly, it's freaking amazing how you guys actually, like, it's just beyond me how you guys actually helped me create this, and we're at this final stage that we're done. So thank you guys for helping me create the OBS link. I appreciate everything, and we'll be in contact soon. I'll send you guys some updates. Yeah, thank you guys. All right, you guys. First, we're gonna start off with these 4 T20 screws, one on each corner. This one's stripped. If yours are stripped, I do have a repair for that. So if you guys need that, just go ahead and let me know. Once you pop that guy out, you have 1 7mm, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 guy down here, 8. This might still be plugged into your amplifier if you still have all the stock set up. So I'll go ahead and show you how to remove that. All right, you guys go down here, 2 7mm to remove this. That comes off like that by itself. Ejectocito. And if you're gonna remove this guy right here, easiest way, there's a 7mm right here, 7mm right here, and there should be one right here. Mine is missing. We'll go ahead and remove that. There will be 2 plugs down here if you have the stock set up, and some plugs up here as well. I disconnected mine just for installation purposes, just make video quicker. But the plugs will be up here and down here. Now that you remove that, you might have a aftermarket radio here or EQs here. So we'll go ahead and just remove that. this guy has to be hard. And then if you already disconnected everything, this guy should come off. Obviously, I disconnected everything. You will also disconnect your antenna from on top of that amplifier removed under the dashboard. And these are the harnesses you'll be left with if you have your aftermarket radio here. If not, these harnesses will be below. What we'll do is connect the harness to this one and run it up here. So we'll go ahead and do that. So this is the harness that's provided, that's connected to the OEM harness, and the antenna adapter connected to the OEM antenna. Now what we'll do is that we'll run these three here, up here. I'll see if I can show you guys how to do this with one hand. So you can tell it's already under here. If you have two hands, it will be easy to just grab it like this. Got one in there. Antenna adapter as well. So there you go, guys. Just run right there. Grab those fingers, put it up here. Now your harness is up here. And I also went ahead, ran a backup camera wire just to show you guys there's space for your RCAs. Now that we get up here, we'll connect the radio. All right, guys, so as you can tell, I left you guys plenty of slack to be able to connect this freely. This gets connected here. Obviously, this gets connected to your antenna, and this one will be connected to your backup camera, which would be either of the yellow wires. Not either, but one of them. I'll go ahead and connect that now. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it, but I'll go ahead and connect that right now. Okay, those guys are connected. Do not forget about your microphone and your volume control. So I'll go ahead and run the wires real fast and connect them and show you guys. Okay, so I have the harness connected, antenna connected, volume control connected, microphone connected, USB. It will come with an extension, and I will be making an adapter to connect to the cigarette lighter. And microphone is obviously connected, backup camera is connected. Not working right now, but just connected just for demonstration. We'll go ahead and clean it up. One thing I do suggest, just because I left extra slack does not mean you should throw everything back there. We're still dealing with limited space. It has more than enough space for your RCAs. Fill everything up, and there's still some space, but it would be ideal if when you're installing it, if you could just saved it. If you could retract, you could pull the harness a little bit. Therefore, there's not so much of a mess back there as well. So I just want to show you guys real quick before I screw it in. As you can tell, there's plenty of space back there, but it's a little ideal just to pull the harness a little bit, make sure, especially if you're running all 6 RCAs, just to make sure everything's not all cluttered, but there's still plenty of space. Okay, guys, so remember there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 down here. And then you'll connect your AC module. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we installed the AC module and put the cover plate back on. Next, we'll add your factory bezel back in place. We'll also be making a pocket, or a full unit. We still don't know yet because of these AC vents. So look out for that. One thing I do note as well, I suggest putting the screws for the radio in this order: 1, 2, 3, and 4. This helps it align a little bit better. We'll go ahead and put the dash bezel back on. Do that now. So I got to do it with one hand. My headlight switch is not there, but it's all good. I'm sorry too about the shakiness and everything, guys. Just doing everything with one hand. It's a little hard. Oh, wrong guy. And there you go, guys. Look at that foot mat. like I said before, we will be changing that grade to match this grade, so don't worry about that.